Welcome. Today we're going to ease the fear that arises around your health. You are safe in this moment. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and gently letting it go. Close your eyes. Allow your shoulders to drop. Relax your jaw and feel your body settle into stillness. Begin to breathe slowly, deeply. Inhale through your nose. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Exhale gently through your mouth. Let go of the tension. With each breath, bring your attention to this moment. Not the future, not the what ifs. Just now, just this breath. Now bring awareness to your body. Start at the top of your head. Gently soften your forehead. Relax your eyes, your cheeks. Let your neck and shoulders melt down. Feel the calm flowing down your arms, all the way to your fingertips. Now notice your chest rising and falling. Feel how your breath continues, naturally, effortlessly. Your body knows how to take care of you. Health anxiety often comes from caring deeply about your well-being. But fear doesn't equal danger. Not every thought is truth. Not every sensation is a sign. Right now, in this moment, you are okay. You are safe. You are grounded. Silently repeat after me. My body is strong and wise. I choose peace over fear. I trust myself to listen with kindness. I do not need all the answers to feel calm. Imagine you're walking through a healing forest. The trees are tall, the air is clean, and the light is soft. Every step you take, you feel more at ease. You reach a quiet clearing. Sit down, breathe and feel connected to nature. In this space, there is no urgency. No pressure. Only peace. Only now. Let yourself rest here for a moment. Feel the calm in your chest. The lightness in your mind. Let go. Even for just a few seconds. I release what I cannot control. I am doing the best I can. My breath is my anchor. I am safe in this moment. Slowly bring your awareness back. Feel the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. You are okay. One breath at a time.